Welcome to our channel. If you want to quickly pair your Fitbit fitness tracker with your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions for easy setup and synchronization. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and create an account or sign in with your existing credentials. Step 3. Tap the profile icon in the app and select Set up a device. Step 4. Choose your specific Fitbit model from the device list. Step 5. Make sure your Fitbit is charged and near your iPhone. Step 6. The app will search for your device. Tap your Fitbit when it appears on screen. Step 7. Enter the pairing code displayed on your Fitbit screen if prompted. Step 8. Complete your profile setup and grant necessary permissions for Bluetooth and notifications. Your Fitbit is now connected and will automatically sync with your iPhone. You can track steps, heart rate, sleep, and other fitness metrics through the app. Your data will sync automatically throughout the day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.